Hey you guys, this video is about how to make YouTube thumbnails. So to get started, let's go ahead and go to canva.com. Okay, this is the landing page for Canva. I'm already signed in, so I'll sign out so I can walk you guys through the whole process. So if this is your first time on Canva, you basically have to log in. You can log in using either your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can just sign up and create an account using your email and password, whatever works for you. I usually just log in with my Facebook account. Okay, once you get logged in, you'll land on Canva's landing page. This is my page and I've already created a lot of stuff. So once you start creating things, once you land on the home page of Canva, you'll see other designs that you created. So for this video, we're going to click on create design and we're going to scroll down to social media and email headers. And this time we're going to click on YouTube thumbnail. And the good thing about using Canva is that the design, the canvas that you're going to be working on is already sized to the exact size that you need to upload to whatever social media you're trying to upload it to. A lot of times the hardest part is just when you're trying to go at it without pre-made templates, it's getting the right size, because if you don't have the right size, YouTube will reject it. It will not allow you to upload the banner. So this is your canvas for creating your thumbnail. I start with my heading. So for this thumbnail, we'll label it how to make YouTube channel art. Yeah. For free. And I say for free because Canva is totally free. The only way you'll pay for something when you're using Canva is if you purchase some of their photos. Other than that, it's totally free. You design your art, you download it, and it's yours. They even have free pictures that you can use. So Canva can be totally free. So we're going to make this bigger because the thing about YouTube thumbnails is that you want them to stand out and you want them to cover this entire thumbnail, because actually the thumbnail is not that big. So the bolder you make it, the better, because that's the idea. You want it to stand out. And one thing you want to do is leave space, because it's good to brand your YouTube channel with your images. So I'm going to put one of my pictures on this right hand side. can add color background. And since we were talking about channel art, um, you want to kind of be a little creative just to, um, I mean, not really to make it clickbait, but I mean, I guess it kind of is, because if you have a good thumbnail, it usually stands out and your video is probably going to get clicked on. So, yeah, I guess in a way it's sort of like clickbait. So basically this is done. This could totally be my thumbnail for how to make channel art, and I'm probably actually going to use it because I don't feel like making anything else. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I mean, yeah, that's doing too much. And if you need to purchase any photos, you can do so. I used all of my photos that I uploaded previously from other designs I've created. But if it's your first time and you need photos, just whatever your theme is. If you need bling, just type in bling, and some bling will come up for you to use. So anything that you need, if you need a picture of tea, you can type in tea, and like you'll get these little tea glasses, tea mugs, coffee mugs, different things like that will come up. If you need hair, type in hair and you'll get like pictures of women with like different types of hairstyles, combs, yeah, different things like that, like referring to if you're a beautician, hair dryers and things like that. So, and a lot of it is free and some of it is $1. So there's always some free items that you can use. So, if you want to search for the free ones, just isolate the free pictures by typing in free, and you can type in free mugs, and then all the pictures of free mugs will come up, and you can use those for free, totally free. So once you are happy with the way your thumbnail look, just click download, download again. And then if you purchased anything from Canva, this is where you would pay for it. So you would just click purchase and download. I have one picture on here that's $1 that I'm going to be purchasing, so I'll just click purchase and download. And that's my thumbnail. After that, you want to head over to YouTube. Okay, so once you get on your YouTube page, you go to your videos. And then you click edit video. and then it'll take you to this screen, your info and settings page. If you hover inside the box next to your videos, the last row of boxes, click change image, because YouTube will generically put an image there, and then it will change your thumbnail. Once you're done, you just click save changes and your new thumbnail will appear on your video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Also, if there's a certain how-to video that you would like to see me do, please leave that in the comments as well, and I will do my best to get that video out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.